In the heart of Pakistan, where agriculture is the backbone of the economy, a transformative movement is taking place. Women are at the forefront of this change, getting empowered and equipped to build a brighter future for themselves, their families, and their communities. Amid significant challenges in agriculture, including gender inequality, climate change, and food insecurity, She Feeds the World, a global partnership between CARE International and the PepsiCo Foundation, is working to address these issues by empowering smallholder farmers with a particular focus on women, reaching hundreds of thousands of farmers worldwide.
She Feeds the World is an excellent program that is implemented by CARE Pakistan with the support from PepsiCo Foundation. We are working with female farmers in Punjab and making a difference in their life by training them and empowering them.
Economic empowerment is a key pillar to the human rights, and we feel that such kind of interventions where we have success stories can be replicated in the other areas and other villages as well. It will also help in gender transformative roles as well.
The major objective of this project is to ensure that the small-scale farmers, especially in Vihari and Ukara district, and especially the female farmers, have more secure and resilient livelihood. We are building their capacities. We are working for their food and nutrition security, and basically we are working for the community development.
असल में जब किसान की हम तारीफ़ करें तो 70% काम हमारी ख़वातीन करती हैं, जिसको पाकिस्तानी मुआशरे में तस्लीम नहीं किया जाता। शी फीड्स द वर्ल्ड जो कि एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट है कि हमारी ख़वातीन, हमारा जो फूड सिस्टम है उसमें उनका बुनियादी किरदार है।
Through farmer field and business schools, women are adopting latest techniques and learning about sustainable farming practices that are significantly improving productivity and helping reduce input costs, offering farmers ways to improve quality and increase profits.
फार्मर फील्ड एंड बिजनेस स्कूल बेसिकली एक लर्निंग बाय डूइंग अप्रोच है, जिसका मकसद मौजूदा दौर में मनफी माहौलियाती असरात और बढ़ती हुई महंगाई के जो हालात हैं उसको एड्रेस करना है।
Kitchen gardens are blossoming across communities, providing families with fresh, nutritious food and a path out of hunger. Children are healthier, mothers are empowered, and the entire community is reaping benefits of this self-sustaining approach to nutrition. Village savings and loan associations are providing women with financial independence and control over their resources. With high female participation, these groups have collectively saved millions of rupees, enabling women to invest on their families, businesses and future.
शी फीड्स द वर्ल्ड प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये अपनी नौइयत का एक मुनफरिद और यूनिक प्रोजेक्ट है, जो कि पहले कभी भी इस तरह से इस अप्रोच पे काम नहीं हुआ। हम लोग वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे काम कर रहे हैं, जो कि रोल मॉडल मैन के थ्रू हो रही है। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है इस अप्रोच के साथ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग और पावरफुल इम्पैक्ट के साथ चलेगा इंशाल्लाह।
She Feeds the World is also focusing on healthcare of farmers by offering free medical camps to ensure strengthening of both the economic and physical well-being of farmers, so they can focus on their work without compromising their health.
शी फीड्स द वर्ल्ड प्रोजेक्ट पे एज अ गवर्नमेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स हमने इनकी जो ट्रेनिंग्स हुई वहाँ पे जो हम फैसिलिटेशन इन्हें दे सकते थे उनके बारे में इन्फॉर्म किया और हमने इन्हें फैसिलिटेट किया, और बड़ी खुशी हुई कि इन लोगों ने इम्प्लीमेंट भी किया और उसके बहुत बेहतरीन रिजल्ट भी जो हासिल।
She Feeds the World is empowering women, transforming agriculture and building a more sustainable and equitable future for Pakistan. Together, we can create a world where everyone has enough to eat.